Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss extra questions from paper 1 which covers first 7 chapters of 10th class mathematics. These questions are not there in our textbook. So if you practice these questions, it will be very helpful for the board exams. Okay, let us start. The first question we have is, if the sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 3x square minus kx plus 6 is 3, then find the value of k. Sum of the zeros. Let the zeros be alpha and beta. So two zeros are there because it is quadratic. So quadratic means maximum two zeros. So those two zeros we are taking it as alpha and beta. Sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta. Sum of the two zeros formula is alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Okay, now let us take the polynomial which they gave. 3x square minus kx plus 6, and let us write a, b, c values from the given polynomial. X square coefficient is a. Here before x square 3 is there, so a value will be 3. X coefficient is b. Here before x we have minus k, so b value is minus k, and c value is nothing but the constant. Here plus 6 is constant. So a value is 3, b value is minus k, and c value is 6. So let us substitute now in our formula. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus, as it is, b value we know it as minus k. So minus already we have from the formula. Again b value is also minus k divided by a. A value is 3. Next, alpha plus beta, that is sum of the zeros. If the sum of the zeros is 3, so in the place of alpha plus beta I will substitute 3, which is equals to minus of minus plus k divided by 3. Now I will take this 3 to the left side. So what we will get then? K is equals to, here it is division. If I am taking this to another side, it will become multiplication. 3 into 3, 9. So the value of k is 9. Next, question number 2. 1 year ago, a man was 8 times as old as his son. Now his age is equal to the square of his son's age. Then find their present ages. So one son and father, two are there. Let the age of, first he mentioned about man, so I am going with man only. Let the age of man be x years. Again son is there, so let the age of son be y years. Man age I took as x and son age I took as y. Now let us create the equations. So what he mentioned here, 1 year ago, the present age of man is x, then 1 year ago it will be x minus 1. The same way for son also. Son present age is y, then 1 year ago son's age is y minus 1. 1 year ago, this x minus y, a man was 8 times. Here was is there means equal. 1 year ago, man was 8 times as old as his son. So if here it is he mentioned about 1 year ago, then obviously son also 1 year ago only, until and unless he mentioned other. 8 times as old as his son. So 8 times his son will be y minus 1. X is the present age of the person 1 year ago, X minus 1. Y is the present age of son 1 year ago, Y minus 1. This person age is 8 times the age of son when 1 year ago. Now let us solve it then. X minus 1 is equals to 8 into y, 8y minus 8 into 1, 8. Everything I will take one side. X minus 1 plus 8y will become minus 8y plus, minus 8 will become plus 8 is equals to 0. Now, x only one term is there, so as it is x minus 8y minus 1 plus 8 plus 7 is equals to 0. This is equation 1. Next, one more, second equation. Now, it means present age. Now, his age is equal to the square of his son's age. His age is equal to, here son he mentioned means his represents here man. So, man age is equal to man. We took as x, so that x is equals to square of his son's age. Son we took as a y, so square of this, y square. This is equation 2. X minus 8y plus 7 is equals to 0. X is equals to y square. Two equations we have. If we solve these two equations, we will get the values of x as well as y. Let us solve it. Here second equation, x is equals to y square. So in the place of x, I will write y square. If we observe this first equation, here we have x minus 8y plus 7 equals to 0. Here in the place of x, I will substitute y square. So we will get the equation as y square minus 8y plus 7 equals to 0. In the place of x, I am substituting y square. So we will get y square minus 8y plus 7 equals to 0. Now we got a quadratic equation. So by splitting the middle term into two terms, we need to find the y value. Y square minus 8y can be written as minus 7y minus y plus 7 is equals to 0. Here minus 7 is there, so y value will be plus 7. Here minus 1 is there, so y value will be plus 1. So y value is 7 or 1. Y is nothing but age of son presently. Okay, so first let us take 7, then we will go with 1 also. And according to the second equation, we have x is equals to y square. So now this y value we need to substitute in the place of y here. So we will get the x value. Let us check that. X is equals to, here y is there. So first I am going with 7 square. Then x is equals to 49. Next x is equals to y square is there. Now in the place of y I am going to substitute the second number, that is 1 square. That is x is equals to 1. X is nothing but father's age. Okay, now let us observe once. Y is son age, that is 7. If son age is 7, then father's age is 49. If son age is 1, father age is also 1. It is impossible, because if the son is 1 year old, father can't be 1 year, because father and son, they won't be the same age. So that is wrong at all. So we have very clearly now y is 7, that is son. Son's present age is 7 years. Next, x is father, so father's present age is 49 years. Son's present age is 7 years and father's present age is 49 years. Question number 3. find the sum of first 17 terms of the AP whose nth term is given by Tn is equals to 7 minus 4n. Nth term or general term, both are same. So that nth term is given as Tn is equals to 7 minus 4n. Nth term, so n. Now if we want to find out first term, T1. So simply in the place of n, we are substituting 1. So 7 minus 4 into, in the place of n, substituting 1. So 7 minus 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4, it is 3. Now first term completed. I am going with the second term now. T2. Then simply in the place of n, now we need to substitute 2. So 7 minus 4 into 2, which is equals to 7 minus 4 2s are 8. 7 minus 8, which is nothing but minus 1. So first term is 3 and second term is minus 1. So if we write the AP, first term is 3, comma, second term is minus 1, comma, and so on. Now what is asking then? Find the sum of the first 17 terms. So what is the formula for sum of the n terms? That is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So what he is asking then? Sum of the 17 terms. So S17. In the place of n, substituting 17 by 2 into 2 of a. A is nothing but first term. First term is 3. Plus n minus 1. N is how much? 17. 17 minus 1 into d. Common difference how much then? That is second term minus first term. Second term is minus 1 minus first term is 3. Second term minus first term. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. So the common difference is minus 4. In the place of d, minus 4. Okay, now let us solve this. S17 is equals to 17 by 2 we cannot cancel, so keep it as it is 17 by 2 into 2 3s are 6 plus 17 minus 1 16 into minus 4. Now again 17 by 2 not possible to cancel, into 6 plus into minus 16 4s are 64. So which is equals to 17 by 2 into 6 minus 64. It is minus 58. Now we can do cancellation. 2 ones are 2 29s are. So we will get the final answer as 17 into minus 29. 17 into minus 29, which is equals to plus into minus 17 into 29, 493. So the sum of 17 terms of that AP is minus 493. Next question number 4. The quadratic polynomial, the sum of whose zeros is minus 5 and their product is 6. Sum of the zeros is given and product of the zeros is given. He is asking to write the quadratic polynomial. So what is the formula we have? K into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is the formula where we will use when sum of the zeros and product of the zeros is given to find the polynomial, especially for quadratic only. This is not workable for cubic or linear or more than 3 degree. It is only for quadratic, that is degree 2. Okay, now k as it is into x square minus alpha plus beta, sum of the zeros, sum of whose zeros is minus 5. So in the place of alpha plus beta, minus 5 into x plus alpha beta, product of the zeros, their product is 6. So now k into x square minus into minus plus 5 into x, 5x plus 6. Here we don't have any denominator, so simply take the k value as 1. If k is equals to 1 into anything, the same number, so we will get the polynomial as x square plus 5x plus 6. So the required polynomial is x square plus 5x plus 6. In case here after simplification of the polynomial you have denominator 2, then take k value as 2. In the total denominator if you have 5, take the k value as 5. Next, let us move to question number 5. The value of k for which the system of equations x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0 and 2x plus ky is equals to 3 has no solution. Okay, first of all, when the system of equations doesn't have any solution, if those two lines are parallel to each other. If two lines are parallel to each other, they won't touch with each other. So if they are not at all touching with each other, obviously no solution. So what is the condition for parallel lines? A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2. This is the condition which satisfies the parallel lines, or else no solution. Okay, now here in the first equation constant is to the left side, here constant is to the right side. So I will take this constant to the left side. Then what will be the equation we will get then? 2x plus ky plus 3 we are taking to the left side, then it will become minus 3 is equals to 0. Now the equations are x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0, 2x plus ky minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, now let us solve. What is A1 and A2? What is B1, B2? What is C1, C2? Where are 1 is represented, that comes with the first equation. 2 is there, that is go with the second equation. So A1 x coefficient of the first equation, A2 x coefficient of the second equation, B1 y coefficient of the first equation, B2 y coefficient of the second equation, C1 constant in the first equation, C2 constant in the second equation. Okay, let us start. A1 in the first equation, x coefficient. Here before x number is not there, it means 1. So A1 is 1 divided by A2. Here in the second equation, x coefficient is 2. So before x, which value is there? 2. So A2 is 2, which is equals to B1 y coefficient in the first equation. Here before y nothing is there, it means 1. So 1 by B2 in the second equation, y coefficient k. This should not be equals to C1 by C2. Here constant is minus 4 by here constant is minus 3. Now in this first equation and the second equation both are equal to each other, so I will take that one. 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by k. I'll do cross multiplication, k into 1 k, which is equals to 2 into 1 2. So what is the k value then? It is 2. So k is equals to 2. If In this given equation, if k value is 2, then these two equations will be having no solution. Okay, let's have a look at the question number 5. The value of x for which 2x, x plus 10, 3x plus 2 are the three consecutive terms of an AP. So he clearly mentioned that those three terms are in AP. So it means the common difference is same. Nothing but second term minus first term. Second term is x plus 10 minus first term 2x. That should be is equals to third term minus second term. Third term 3x plus 2 minus second term. In the second term again two terms are there, so that's a bracket x plus 10. Now x minus 2x minus x plus 10 is equals to 3x plus 2 minus into x minus x minus into plus 10 minus 10. Left side minus x, right side minus x, both will get cancelled. Next, left side we have 10 is equals to 3x plus 2 minus 10 minus 8. I will take minus 8 to the left side, it will become plus 8. 10 plus 8 is equals to 3x. So 3x is equals to 10 plus 8, 18. Then x is equals to 18 divided by 3. If you do cancellation, 3 ones are 3 6 are. So x is equals to 6. If the value of x is 6, then these three terms will be are in arithmetic progression. Before going to the question number 6, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Okay, now let's have a look at the question number 6. The distance between the points a cos theta plus b sin theta, 0 and 0, a sin theta minus b cos theta. So distance, he is asking about distance. So we know the formula of distance already between the 2 points, that is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So first let us make clear what is x1 and what is x2 and what is y1 and what is y2. In the first point, this is x1 and this is y1. From the second point, this is x2 and this is y2. Okay, now let us substitute. Under root x2 is 0 minus x1. x1 here we have a cos theta plus b sin theta, which is two terms. So compulsory bracket. x1 a cos theta plus b sin theta plus b sin theta. For this whole square, because x2 minus x1 whole square plus next y2 minus y1 whole square. Here y2 is nothing but a sin theta minus b cos theta. A sin theta minus b cos theta minus y1 is 0, sorry here no bracket, minus 0 whole square. Okay, now under root 0 is not necessary. So next minus into a cos theta. Anyway, no problem. For minus, we are doing square. So definitely it will become plus only. So we will get a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square. Because 0 minus something that is minus something. For minus we have square, so that's why it will become plus. So simply these terms will be terminated or neglected. Now a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square. So a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square, if we expand a plus b whole square, then a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta plus, here we have again one more, a sin theta minus b cos theta minus 0. Minus 0 doesn't have any value, so a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So if we expand a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. Here plus 2ab sin theta cos theta, here minus 2ab sin theta cos theta will get cancelled. Next, what we remains with then? Under root a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta. Okay, now what I will do, here we have a square, here also we have a square. So from the first term and from the third term I will take out a square common. Here we have b square, here we have b square. So from the second term and from the fourth term I will take a b square common. So what we will get then? Okay, so if we take out common, under root, from the first term and third term I am taking a square common. So what will remains when then? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus, from the second term and fourth term I am taking b square common. Then here sin square theta, here cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta. Already we know the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Here also same cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. So we get under root sorry, a square into 1 a square plus b square into 1 b square. Here two terms are there, so we cannot make it 1. So that's why answer is completed. Under root a square plus b square only. Some students will do mistake here by cancelling this square and square root, square and square root. So it won't happen like that. Under root a square plus b square is the final answer. So the distance between those given points is under root a square plus b square. Question number 7. The distance between the points m comma minus n and minus m comma n. Same like the previous question only, but a little bit easy. So this is x1 y1 and this x2 y2. So already we know the formula of distance between 2 points, that is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We know x1 y1 x2 y2. Let us substitute then. Under root x2 is minus m minus x1 m whole square plus y2 n minus y1 minus n whole square. So which we get as under root minus m minus 2m whole square plus minus into minus plus, so n plus n 2n whole square. Now this square is for number as well as for alphabet. This square is for number as well as for alphabet also. So under root minus, we are doing square, then it will become plus 2 square for m square plus 2 square for n square In the first term as well as in the second term, we have number 4. So I am taking 4 common. So we will remain as m square plus n square. Now here under root 4 into m square plus n square is there. So if I separate it, we will get it as under 4 into under root m square plus n square. Simply this is considered as single term, so I am separating that one. Under root 4 into m square plus n square can be written as under root 4 into under root m square plus n square. Root 4 value 2 into under root m square plus n square. It is not possible to simplify this under root m square plus n square further, so leave it here only. So the distance between these 2 points is 2 into under root m square plus n square. Okay, now let us move to the question number 8. Okay, the question is, on dividing a polynomial p of x by x square minus 4, quotient and remainder are x and 3 respectively, then find p of x. So we know one dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. On dividing a polynomial p of x, then this p of x will become dividend is equals to divisor, by which we are dividing it is x square minus 4. So that will become the divisor into quotient. Quotient and remainder are x and 3. So the quotient is x, then plus remainder is 3. So p of x is equals to outer number into first number, outer number into second number, x into x square, x power 3 minus 4 into x, 4x plus 3 as it is. So the polynomial p of x is x cube minus 4x plus 3. Next, question number 9. Are 3x by 2 plus 5y by 3 is equals to 7 and 9x plus 10y equals to 14 consistent? So what is the meaning of consistent? If the given two equations are having at least one solution, then those two equations are considered as consistent. At least one solution. In which conditions it is possible then? If the two lines are intersecting lines. If the two lines are intersecting with each other, otherwise if the two lines are completely overlapping. In these two conditions, those equations will be having at least one solution. So those two are considered as consistent. First one is intersecting and next one is overlapping. Otherwise dependent in our terms. Okay, now let us check then. The first equation is 3x by 2 plus 5y by 3 is equals to 7. Here both the denominators are different, so I will multiply the denominators. 2 3s are 6, then cross multiplication 3 into 3x, 9x plus 2 into 5y, 10y is equals to 7. Now I will take this 6 to the right side, then it will become multiplication. So 9x plus 10y is equals to 7 6 are 42. So first equation is given as 3x by 2 plus 5y by 3 is equals to 7. We simplified it and we got it as 9x plus 10y is equals to 42. So then this is first equation, and second equation he gave as 9x plus 10y is equals to 14. So we need to check now. Here x coefficient is 9 by, here also x coefficient is 9 only. Here y coefficient is 10 by, here y coefficient also 10 only. Here constant 42. Here constant 14. Here 9 will cancel. 10 cancel. 14 1s are 14 3s are. So what we got then? Here 9 cancel means 1. Here 10 cancel means 1. Here 3 by 1. Nothing but 3. Now 1 1 3. So shall we relate these numbers with each other? Obviously 1 is equals to 1, which is not equals to 3. So we can write one condition, that is A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2, which is not equals to C1 by C2. Right, A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2, but it is not equals to C1 by C2. So A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2, is not equals to C1 by C2. Then which type of condition it is? It is parallel lines condition, like this. Parallel lines, they won't touch with each other at all. So if they are not at all touching, means they don't have any solution at all. So if they are not having any solution, then these two are considered as inconsistent. Inconsistent. He's asking about whether are they consistent. No, these two equations are inconsistent because they are parallel. They don't have any solution. Question number 10. Find the value of A for which point P, A by 3 comma 2 is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points Q minus 5 comma 4 and R minus 1 comma 0. These 2 points are there. For these 2 points, the midpoint is A by 3 comma 2. Then we need to find out A by 3 value. Already we know the midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So from these two given points, it is x1 y1 and this will become x2 y2. So okay, let us substitute in that. X1 minus 5, x2 minus 1 divided by 2 comma y1 4 plus y2 0 divided by 2, and this midpoint is given as A by 3 comma 2. A by 3 comma 2. Here A by 3 is the first coordinate. So by comparing this with this first coordinate, here this is x coordinate, here also is an x coordinate. So both the x coordinates we are comparing. By comparing x coordinates. Because here alphabet A is in first coordinate only, so that's why we are comparing with first coordinate only. Okay, now minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 divided by 2 is equals to A by 3. If we do cross multiplication, minus 6 into 3 minus 18 is equals to 2 into A, 2A. If we do cancellation, here 2 1s are 2 9s are. So A is equals to minus 9. A equals to minus 9. The value of A is minus 9. Before going to the question number 11, till now if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Okay, now let us move to question number 11. Find the zeros of the polynomial 5 root 5 x square plus 30x plus 8 root 5. So in the exam, if they give in the question to solve the given polynomial or else quadratic equation, especially by any particular method, you need to solve it by that method only. But in case if they didn't mention anything like that, it is our wish. We can go with splitting the middle term into 2 terms, or else completing the square method, or else by using the formula. Of course, here it is polynomial, so we cannot go with the completing square method. So remaining 2 we can go either with formula or else splitting the middle term into 2 terms. I think always the splitting middle term into 2 terms is only very easy than the formula. So that's why I'm going with splitting middle term into 2 terms only. Here constant is 8 root 5 into x square, coefficient is 5 root 5. Root 5 into root 5 is 5 into 8 5s are 40. So 40 into 5, 200. So we need to split the middle term also like that only. First term 5 root 5 x square as it is plus 30x. I am writing it as 20x plus 10x plus 8 root 5. Because 20x plus 10x is 30x. 20x into 10x is 200x square. Okay, now from the first term as well as from the second term, I will take 5x common. Here 5 is there, here 5 completed, here one more root 5 is extra. Here x square is there, here x completed, so one more x will remain, plus 20. In 5 table, where will you get 20? 4s. Here x is there, here x completed. Now again from the third and fourth terms we need to take some common. After taking that common, we need to get same this number only again, root 5x plus 4. Then what we need to take common then? Observe here. Fourth term is 8 root 5. Here already we have 4. So in 4 table, where we will get 8? 2s. Here root 5 is extra. So it means we took 2 root 5 common. Everything is plus, so that's why I kept plus here only. Plus 2 root 5 into root 5x is 10x. Plus 2 root 5 into 4 is 8 root 5. Here 2 brackets are same. So write 1. That is under root 5x plus 4 into. Here 5x plus 2 root 5. 5x plus 2 root 5. Okay, now he is asking zeros of the polynomial. So that is very easy. Take the first factor and make it equals to 0. Under root 5x plus 4 is equals to 0. Plus 4, if we take another side, it will become minus 4. So under root 5x is equals to minus 4. Root 5, if we take another side, it will become division. X is equals to minus 4 by root 5. So one of the zeros is minus 4 by root 5, comma. Second one, if we take plus, otherwise in simple way I will say, here plus 4 is there, so we got minus 4. Here multiplied by root 5 is there, so divided by root 5. The same logic here also. Plus 2 root 5 is there, so we will get minus 2 root 5 divided by, here multiplied by 5 is there, here we will get divided by 5. So the roots or zeros of the given polynomial is or are minus 4 by root 5, comma, minus 2 root 5 by 5. Next, let us move to question number 12. 7 times a 2-digit number. So first of all, we need to create a 2-digit number. So 2-digit number is nothing but ones place will be there and tens place will be there. So I don't know what is ones and I don't know what is tens also. So in the place of ones, I am taking some alphabet X, and in the place of tens, I am taking some alphabet Y. This is in ones place, so multiply with 1, and this is in tens place, so multiply with 10. So what we will get then? Y into 10, 10y plus x into 1, x. 7 times a 2-digit number. This number multiplied by 7, because 7 times, is equal to 4 times the number obtained by reversing the digits. 4 times reversing the digits. So ones place, tens place. Now previously tens place is y. Now it will come to y. Sorry, ones place. In ones place it is x. Now it will come to tens place. Again same, this is in ones place, so multiply with 1, and this is in tens place, so multiply with 10. So what we will get then? x into 10x plus y into 1y. So the first number is 10y plus x. This number, if we multiply by 7, it will be equals to 4 times of the number which we get after reversing the digits. So 10x plus y is the second number. First number is 10y plus x, and after reversing the digits it became 10x plus y. Okay, now let us solve it. 7 into 10y, 70y plus 7 into x, 7x is equals to 4 into 10x, 40x plus 4 into y, 4y. Everything I'll take one side. 70y plus 7x plus 40x, if we take another side it will become minus 40x, plus 4y if we take another side it will become minus 4y, is equals to 0. Now 70y minus 4y, 66y. 7x minus 40x minus 33x is equals to 0. 33 and 66 both will come in which table? Obviously 33 table. 33 ones are, 33 twos are. So what we will get then? 2y minus x is equals to 0. Minus x, I will take another side, it will become plus x. So x is equals to 2y. First equation. X is equals to 2y is the first equation. Next, second condition, if you look, if the difference of the digits is 3. If the difference of the digits is 3. So first, whenever we are looking at the second condition, we need to go with the first number only, not with the second number. Completely forget about this now. So ones place we have x and tens place we have y. Okay, so as given in the question, difference of the digits is 3. So we don't know whether this tens digit is bigger or ones digit is bigger. So first, if tens digit is bigger, y minus x is equals to 3. In case if ones digit is bigger, x minus y is equals to 3. So when from the second condition, two possibilities are there, because he said only difference, but we don't know which number is bigger. So that's why tens place minus ones place, then again ones place minus tens place. So both these conditions we got, and first equation as it is, x is equals to 2y. Okay, now first I will take the first equation, that is y minus x is equals to 3. X we have 2y, so y as it is, minus in the place of x 2y is equals to 3. Y minus 2y minus y is equals to 3. So minus, if we take that side, y is equals to minus 3. So y value we got as minus 3. Y is nothing but tens place. Right, then after reversing, what it will become then? Ones place will become y. So ones place is minus 3. So minus 3 won't be there because these are digits. So digits should be compulsory positive only, not negative. So this is not required for us. Now I will go with this second equation then, that is x minus y is equals to 3. X minus y equals to 3. X value 2y. So in the place of x, 2y minus y is equals to 3. 2y minus y, y is equals to 3. Y value we got as 3. Then what about x value? X is equals to 2y. X is equals to 2y. X is equals to 2 into y value 3. So then x is equals to 2 3s are 6. X value we got as 6 and y value we got as 3. Then what is the number in the place of y? 3. In the place of ones, x, that is 6. So the number is 36. After reversing, this 36 will become 63. Anyway, he's asking about only number only, so 36 is the required number. Okay, now let us move to question number 13. Okay, the question is, an AP consists of 37 terms. The sum of the three middlemost terms. If 37 terms are there, then what are the middle three terms? 18th, 19th and 20th term. 18th term A18 plus 19th term A19 plus 20th term A20. Sum of the three middlemost terms is 225. This is 225. A18, 18th term A plus 17D plus 19th term A plus 18D plus 20th term A plus 19D is equals to 225. A plus A plus A 3A plus 17D plus 18D plus 19D 54D is equals to 225. 3 will come in 3 table, 54 will come in 3 table, 225 also will come in 3 table. So dividing every term by 3. Then where we will get that in 3 table? Let us check once. 3 cancel, 3 1s are, 3 18s are, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. So we will get the equation as A plus 18D is equals to 75. This is equation 1. A plus 18D is equals to 75. Next, and the sum of the last 3 terms. Sum of the last 3 terms. Total 37 are there. So 35th, 36th and 37th. A35 plus A36 plus A37. Sum of the last 3 terms is 429. Next, how we will write A35? A plus 34D plus A36 A plus 35D plus A37 A plus 36D is equals to 429. A plus A plus A 3A plus 34D plus 35D plus 36D 34, 35, 36 105D is equals to 429. 3 will come in 3 table, 105 also will come in 3 table, 429 also will come in 3 table. So dividing every term by 3. So here 3 will get cancelled. 3 1s are, 3 3s are 9, 35s are, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. So we will get it as A plus 35D equals to 143. This is equation number 2. First equation we have is A plus 18D is equals to 75, and the second equation we have is A plus 35D is equals to 143. Now we need to solve these two equations. Okay, the two equations are A plus 18D is equals to 75. So A plus 18D is equals to 75, and second equation is A plus 35D is equals to 143. A plus 35D is equals to 143. Now I will subtract both the equations. So plus A will become minus A, plus 35D will become minus 35D, plus 143 will become minus 143. So plus A minus A both will get cancelled. 18d minus 35d minus 17d, which is equals to 75 minus 143 minus 68. So both the sides minus minus will get cancelled. So we remains with 17d is equals to 68. We want a d value, so I will take 17 to the right side. 68 divided by 17. In 17 table where we get 68, 4s are. So 17 ones are, 17 fours are. So d is equals to 4. That is common difference is 4. This d value we need to substitute either in the first equation or else in the second equation. So in first equation the numbers are little small, so that's why I am going to substitute in first equation only. A plus 18d is equals to 75. A plus 18 into d value is 4, which is equals to 75. So a plus 18 fours are 72, which is equals to 75. Now I will take this 72 to the right side, then it will become minus. So a is equals to 75 minus 72, then a is equals to 75 minus 72, it is 3. A nothing but first term is 3, and d common difference is 4. So he is asking to find the AP. So first term is 3. Now keep on adding common difference. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, and so on. So the AP is 3, 7, 11, 15, and so on. Question number 14. The sum of first 6 terms of an AP is 42. The ratio of its 10th term to its 30th term is 1:3. Then find the first term of AP. Okay. Sum of first 6 terms of an AP. We know the formula for sum of n terms, that is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So in this case he is asking about 6 terms. So S6 is equals to, in the place of n, 6 by 2 into 2 a value we don't know plus n value 6, 6 minus 1 5d. So this is 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So S6, that is sum of the first 6 terms, is 42. So 42 is equals to 3 into 2a plus 5d. Let us check for cancellation. 3 1s are, 3 14s are. So 2a plus 5d is equals to 14. This is equation 1. Next one. The ratio of its 10th term. What is 10th term? A plus 9d divided by to its 30th term. What is 30th term? A plus 29d. That ratio is 1:3, nothing but 1/3. If you do cross multiplication, a plus 9d into 3, a plus 9d, which is equals to, a plus 9d into 3, a plus 9d into 3, which is equals to 1 into a plus 29d, a plus 29d. Outside number into first number, 3 into a, 3a, plus 3 into 9d, 27d, is equals to a plus 29d. Everything I'll bring one side. 3a plus 27d plus a, if I am taking to the left side, it will become minus a, plus 29d, if I bring to another side, it will become minus 29d, is equals to 0. 3a minus a, 2a, 27d minus 29d minus 2d is equals to 0. Minus 2d I will take to the right side, then it will become plus 2d. 2a is equals to 2d. So 2 cancel. Then what we got? A is equals to d. A is equals to d. First equation we got as 2a plus 5d is equals to 14, and now we got the second equation as a is equals to d. First equation is 2a plus 5d is equals to 14. In the given question, he is asking to find the first term. First term is nothing but alphabet A. So alphabet A we want. That's why I am writing the first term 2a as it is, plus 5 into D is nothing but A. So that's why in the place of D, again I am writing A only, is equals to 14. Okay, now let us check then. 2a plus 5a, 7a is equals to 14. I want a value, so I will take this 7 to the right side. So a is equals to 14 by 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are. So a is equals to 2. A is nothing but first term. So first term of that AP is 2. He is not asking anything about common difference. Of course, what is common difference then? A is exactly equals to 2. So then common difference also 2 only. First term as well as common difference both are 2. Question number 15. Find the 10th term of the sequence root 2, root 8, root 18 and so on. So first of all, we need to simplify the terms. Let us check. Root 2 is the first one. That is already in the simplified form only. So root 2 is exactly root 2 only. So no problem with that. Next, root 8 is there. So root 8 can be written as 4 2s are. Again this root 4 into 2 can be written as root 4 into root 2. So this root 4 value is 2. So this will become then 2 root 2. Next, third term is root 18. Root 18 is equals to, root 18 can be written as 9 2s are. Again, root 9 into 2 can be separated as root 9 into root 2. Root 9 is nothing but 3. So 3 times root 2. So the first 3 terms what they are given, simply we are simplifying it further. So what are the terms now? Root 2, comma, 2 root 2, comma, 3 root 2 and so on. The first they gave the terms as root 2, root 8, root 18 and after modification the terms are root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2, 5 root 2, 6 root 2 and so on. Then he is asking the 10th term. So what is the formula for 10th term? A plus 9D. That is nothing but 10th term, A10. A is nothing but first term. So here first term is root 2 plus 9 into, what is the common difference? Let us observe the common difference here. Second term is 2 root 2 minus first term is root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2, it is root 2. So the common difference is root 2, which is equals to 8n. 9 into root 2, 9 root 2, 9 root 2 plus root 2, 10 root 2, which is equals to 8n. So the 10th term of the given sequence is 10 root 2. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.